In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Plans. Start in Jira on the For You page. This is a helpful home area where you can jump into the tools you use most. In the top navigation, select the Plans area. If you do not see it right away, use the main navigation options until Plans is available, then open it. On the Plans page, choose Create Plan. This begins a short setup flow that connects the plan to the work you already track in Jira. In the Plan Name field, type a clear, recognizable name for your plan. Use something that matches the initiative or project you are managing, so it is easy to find later. After you enter the name, select Open. Next, set who can access the plan. Choose the option that allows all plan users to view and edit the plan. This is a good default when you are collaborating, and you can restrict access later if needed. Now you will choose the work source for the plan. Click into the space selector, then open the list and pick the project shown, labeled My Kanban Project. This connects your plan to that project's issues, so you can schedule and coordinate the work on a timeline. When you are ready, click Create. On the next screen, select Add Team. This is where you start associating capacity and ownership with the work in your plan. After adding the team, click Next. You will now choose a view. Select Basic View. This gives you a straightforward setup to get started quickly. Then choose the option that shows capacity across work to optimize sprints or iterations. This setting helps you see workload at a glance, which is useful when you are planning across time. Continue through the remaining setup prompts by clicking Next, and then click Next again. On the following screen, click into the highlighted field as shown, and then select Finish to complete the setup. After the plan loads, click Skip if the onboarding prompt appears, so you can go straight to the plan. Open the top menu area as indicated, then select Timeline to view your work laid out over time. Use tab options, and switch to Program. From there, click Calendar, then click Teams, then click Dependencies. Finally, click Summary to return to a high-level overview. That covers everything you need to know.